Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's tutorial we are going to learn how to sew a beret. I'm using a scuba material. You need a measurement of 56 centimeters from here to here. We are not using the inches, please, we are using the centimeter. We are using 56 centimeters. You mark your 56 here, and we are using 30 centimeters for the braids. We mark 30 centimeters here. Make sure it's accurate. Make sure it's accurate. Make sure it's accurate. Then you use your scissors to cut it out. After cutting here, from here to here is 56. Is then the exact 56 here. Cut it. That is 56. You can see 56 there by 30 centimeters. Then you mark. We are using 12 centimeters from here to here. Make sure that you follow the correct, accurate way. So you can see it. It's mark 56. Then you fold it. Make sure it's accurate. Then we are going to sew here. I sewed here. After sewing, since the measurement that we use here is 12, we use 12 centimeters. So I'm dividing it into two. I divide it into two. Then I'll hook it. Can you see? It gives me 6 centimeters. That's how I'll go around. Make sure it's accurate. You have to be watching your measurement. It's very important. Also tack it here. Six centimeters. It marks our X here. Since we saw it here, then you turn it. After turning, Since we use 6 centimeters here, so we are using 5 centimeter here. 5. So we use your 5 centimeter. Use 5 centimeter here. Centimeter. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Then you sew it round. Sew it round. Okay. After marking the 5 centimeters from here to here, 5 centimeter, then you turn it back. As you turn it, this is 5 centimeter. Then you sew here. That's how you sew. Then you sew here, round. You sew it round. After sewing from inside here, then you make this upside, divide it into 3 parts. Use your tape, divide it into 3. I marked here, I marked here. So I have 1, 2. So this last one here, then use a sign. You can see it's giving 1, 2, 3, but the third one is at the edge. Then you hold this first one here. You hold your hand here, as you can see, this one. Then you take this one, the middle, and you tag it here at the middle. Then you use a pin to hold it. You can see it. It will give you 3 holes. And then these 3 holes, you hold here. You also bend this one. Also bend this one inside. So after tacking it in this way, so we are going to sew here. We sew here. We sew here too. We sew here. We sew here, and we sew here. So after sewing the both sides, you can see it here. We sew it round. Sew it round from here to here, stop. Also here. After sewing it round, then you turn it. You can see it. Then that's all. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and make your comment, share and like.